Alright, just a quick update since the last video. Not a whole lot has changed, but we ended up ripping out this small little wall and totally open up this space. I think that'll work best. And right now we're just in the process of repairing the drywall, getting plaster and tape on, trying to make it look the best we can. Not exactly sure what I'm doing, but I think we can make it work. A lot of this stuff are just imperfections in the old walls. So yeah, the guys came and fixed the window. The old window, the seal had ruptured on both panes and moisture was getting in. Really looked bad. And we got the Christmas lights up, just for the fun of it. Also, the cabinet guys came. Not the cabinet guys, the countertop guys came. Did a measurement. It came out to be a little bit over $3,000 to replace this countertop and the countertop in the bathroom. That includes the sink, labor, and everything. It's priced at a mid-range surface, so we'll have to go and see what kind of granite or quartz we like. Will look best in here. So yeah, that's the update.